Welcome to question 11 on the Year 11 Core Progress Test 1. Now question 11 is all about expanding, factorising and solving quadratics. Starting question A, expand and simplify x plus 1 and x take away 3. Now when we have two brackets next to each other this is saying that we need to multiply x plus 1 by x minus 3. First of all we're going to multiply x by x, so that gives us our x squared. We're going to multiply 1 by x to give us x. We're going to multiply our x by negative 3, so it gives us negative 3x. And the last one we need to multiply together is 1 by negative 3, which gives us negative 3. Now we've expanded the two brackets, but now we need to simplify, so we need to collect like terms. So we have x squared, where no are x squared terms, so just x squared. Now we need to simplify x and negative 3x. Now when we add these together that gives us negative 2x, and as there are no other numbers it's just negative 3. So this expands out to x squared take away 2x take away 3. With question B we need to factorise the quadratic. So in this case factorise x squared plus 2x take away 24. This means we need to put it back into a pair of double brackets like question A. So the first thing we're going to do is find two numbers that add to make 2 but multiply to make 24. And before I do that, I'm going to list out the factors of 24. But I'm going to do this in pairs. So 1 times 24 is 24, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 6 is 24. Now I know that this is negative 24, meaning that one of these numbers in the pairs has to be negative. So next stage we need to realise is when we add these two numbers together when one of them is negative, which one will add to make 2? Now looking at these pairs, we can see that 6 take away 4 will give us 2. So our two numbers are 6 and negative 4. The next stage, we just need to put these into our brackets. So this factorises to x plus 6, x take away 4. If you wanted to, you could expand these brackets out just to check that you've got the right answer. With part C, we need to solve this quadratic. That means find the values of x that make this quadratic equal to 0. Now if you look at part B, we've already factorised this, and this is the first stage that we need to do. So we can replace x squared plus 2x take away 24 with our x plus 6 and x take away 4. Now this equals 0. And remember, this means x plus 6 multiplied by x minus 4. So when we have two numbers that multiply and make 0, one of them has to 0, or they both equal 0. In this case we're going to assume that both of them equal 0. So if x plus 6 equals 0, then we can say that x equals negative 6. And if x take away 4 equals 0, we can say that x equals 4. If you wanted to, you can check these by substituting these two values into the original quadratic. Thank you for listening.